Welcome to the short introduction to EA Wizard. The program is quite powerful. It enables you to create complex strategies, but at the same time, it is very simple to use. Once you'll understand the concept of work in EA Wizard, you'll be able to create your own trading strategies quickly and with minimum effort. We start our introduction with the home page. It contains several samples that you can load and look at how they are done. You can load the sample by pressing a button that belongs to each sample. Then we have a program notifications area here. To create a new strategy, we can click on New, Empty Strategy. You can also create strategy from template. Template is simply saved strategy, can already contain some rules or predefined parameters to start with. The tab strategy is where we can specify name and description of our strategy, as well as set money management and global stop loss and profit target, and set strategy parameters. Now, what are strategy parameters? Those are simply parameters of the EA that you can set in MetaTrader. Let's take a lots value as an example. We can specify it as a number value 0.1, like it is here, but then we'll not be able to change this value in the EA. So it is better to create a new parameter, lots, and set the lots in new money management to use our new variable instead of fixed value. You can see it's very simple. You can do the same with virtually any number in the program, including indicator periods, etc. Wherever you see the button with 3 dots, you can use parameter instead of the number value. I'll define one more parameter, CCI period. I'll use it later in the example. Now, let's go to the Trading Rules tab. This is the heart of the program. Here we can define all the rules that the strategy will consist of. You can create an unlimited number of rules. Each rule consists of 2 parts, if condition and then action. It works simply. If the conditions are true, the actions are activated. You can have unlimited number of conditions and actions in every rule. So, let's make some simple rule. I'll click on Add New and the New Condition dialog is opened. The condition dialog consists of left and right part and operate in the middle. It allows you to build rules quickly. All the possible functions and indicators are divided into several categories. For example, here we have e-price data, like ask, bid, open, high, low, close. Here we have all the standard MetaTrader indicators and so on. On the top here is the search panel. If you know what you are looking for, you can use it to quickly search through all the categories. So, I'll make a very simple rule, CCI crosses above 0. You can see how simple it is. This is our new condition. The EA will watch the market until CCI crosses above 0, and then it performs the configured action. Note that CCI indicator has various properties, such as symbol, time frame, and period. Now, we have the period defined as 14 number. Let's define it not as fixed number value, but as our EA parameter that we've defined before. I'll set it to CCI period. Now, I'll be able to change the period in EA parameters and do things like optimization. So, we defined our condition, and now we should define some action. If CCI crosses 0, we want to go long. I'll click on Add New in Then part and choose Enter at Market. Here I can specify parameters of long order, such as quantity, stop loss or profit target, etc. I'll change quantity to use predefined money management. This means that it will not trade with fixed value, but with the value computed by the built-in money management feature. Every order must have its own unique magic number. It can be any number as long as it is unique within the strategy. The EA uses the magic number to identify the order. I can also set stop loss. Now, I have quite a big choice here. I can use global stop loss, define my stop loss in pips or based on average true range. I can use stop loss from variable, or even define my own function that will compute stop loss using some indicator. For simplicity, I'll set both stop loss and profit target to 50 pips. I'll click OK, and the rule is finished. You can see how simple it is. This way, you can create multiple rules. For example, also for partial entries or partial exits, or rule to trade when different condition is true. I'll show you one more cool feature. We already made long rule, and let's say we want to create similar short rule that will go short when CCI crosses below 0. We can repeat the whole process, or we can just clone this rule and modify it. I'll click on Clone this rule and rename the rule. I have to change the condition to use crosses below operator, and I'll change the order to go short and to use different magic number. Because as I said earlier, every order must use its own unique magic number. Now we have rules to go long and short. Our simple strategy is ready. To get our new EA, I'll go to Source Code tab. Here in the type, we can select three options. Either a pseudocode, which is human-readable code of our rules. The most used option will be most probably Expert Advisor for MetaTrader. This will generate the complete EA with full source code. You can just save it to Experts directory in your MetaTrader, and you'll be able to run or test it there. The third type is Signal Indicator. Our EA wizard can create also signal indicators for you instead of EA. How does it work? Well, it takes the conditions of your strategy and transforms it into an indicator for MetaTrader. The indicator will show you the rule on your chart, and it can also give you sound or email alert when the rule is activated. Again, to get the indicator code, you don't need to do anything else. Just save the code into MetaTrader Experts Indicators directory. That was all for our introduction. I believe now you understand how the program works. Below this video, you can find description of custom functions and some best practices to get started. And good luck in creating your own profitable trading strategies.